We are currently in Affinity Designer, which is a free program to use if you do not want to seek a Adobe subscription. I do recommend this. And if you want more features, you would just have to get Canva Pro, which is significantly more affordable. I will link this program in the description below if you would like to download this. Also, I want to mention that this is my first tutorial in Affinity Designer. So if you guys have any tips or just recommendations that can help me utilize this program, if you are planning on downloading the preset, that will be in the description below if you do not want to continue to see the tutorial. I still want you to follow along with me. We can work on it together, but I understand if you just simply want a quick preset for you to use. If you want to continue to see this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial. I have it already set up right here. However, we're going to start from scratch. So let's create a new file by going to File, New, scroll down all the way to Video and Web, and click on 1080 pixel by 720 pixel and bump the DPI to 300 so it can be extra crispy, and then create the document. Here's the blank canvas. Now we are going to set up our workspace. Press D on the keyboard so you can reset the foreground and the background. Next, we're going to insert a new fill layer. We're going to change the color to this one, and I'll show y'all the colorway. So copy this colorway to get the exact color. Now press close, grab your text tool, and then hold your mouse and then go to artistic text tool and then drag out the letter. Make sure the text color is white, and the font that we're going to be using is called Edition, and this will be linked in the description below so you can download for free. If you do plan on getting the preset, I will also make sure this font will be accessible to you. So type out Chrome, use the move tool, and then just center the text. There we go. Now let's go to layers, rename this BKG because it's the background, and then lock it. Go back to the text, and this is where it all happens with the effects. Go here, it's called layer effects. I'm gonna drag it a little bit to the side. Follow these steps to achieve this chrome effect. Make sure you pause after each layer effect. Toggle on 3D and then press on it. So the radius is going to be 14.9 pixels. And press tab to go to the next number. So the opacity will be 100. The diffuse, double click on profile and use this one. Go to diffuse, put 63%, specular 100%, shininess 62%, ambient 27%. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it's going to be negative 179.3. The elevation will be 0. Now we're going to add a light source, so press add, change this one to negative 169.1. elevation is going to be 32.1. add a new light source. This is going to be negative 49.5, and the elevation is going to be 0. Add another light source, and this is going to be negative 52.2. elevation will be 0. All right, next we're going to toggle on outer glow. Change this to blend mode is going to be screen, opacity 39%, radius 13 pixels, and intensity will be 18%. Toggle on outer shadow and click on it. Make sure the blend modes multiply, opacity 50%, radius 1.1, offset 5 pixels, intensity 81%. And make sure the angle is 315. If you want more definition, you can go to adjustments, levels, and just adjust it the way you would like. And then you can also add curves, and then it can make it more dramatic. Also, you can add sparkle to the text. I will be releasing a brush set very soon. Be on the lookout for that. You can add a pixel layer, just place where you want the sparkle to go. Nice. And that just makes it feel more realistic. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Have a blessed one, y'all. Peace.